Then let's go home na kay tugnaw na.
No.
Basa naman mo.
Ayoko. Mama, I just to open my store to have more people to sell.
You are selling people?
No, I need to sell my store. I need to go to my store.
I want to go to your pretend store.
No, my store's right there.
Okay.
Ma, can you tell me?
Ma, is this water clear?
Ma,
Yes.
Then why is this getting dark?
There's so many barn at home.
chocolate ice cream is not healthy.
Not healthy?
Huh?
So what is healthy?
All the fruits.
Fruits. I want a healthy ice cream.
Healthy ice cream?
mean broccoli ice cream, which he doesn't have.
Ma, I don't have a broccoli ice cream. I have some blueberries and some strawberries and vanillas and grapes and some dragon fruits.
I want a dragon fruit ice cream.
Okay. Scoop it up. You got it, go. Put out. And scoop, scoop, scoop. It's our cherries. And some sprinkle. Yeah. Yeah.
La, la, la.
Here you go, Ma.
Thank you.
Ma, did you know that?
You sprinkle latte with water?
Ma, to get out now.
Now let's go home now.
Ayuba! 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 Come on, man!
Magugas man ka. Ang tubig, butang. Agoy. Ile. Ayan na lang. Tara na lang.
My pajamas off.
No. Let's go. Oh, come on.